just going to give you a quick review on this miniature product fridge, or also it could be a towel warmer. It's super cute, compact. It's got a mirror here. You can turn this on and it has a light. So that's why it'd be good for products because of the mirror. And it's very lightweight, so it's portable. On the back, you have an option to have a car plug-in or a regular outlet, and you're on and off. You can either make it warm or you can make it cool. It's got a handle here, easy to pick up. So we got the chargers here, one for your regular outlet. So that one goes in your AC outlet. This one in. And then it's set on cool. Turn it on or off. There's the light. Brighter, brightest, off. Inside there are some shelving units or supplies that you can put in and out for whatever you need it. You can put food in here, drinks, like I said, your beauty products. It's got a good amount of space in here. This, just on the top shelf, things can stand up. And it's also good for if you're traveling, if you're driving a lot, or if you need to like keep things cold for maybe your work, you can plug it into your car. And yeah, I think it's a cute product and I'd recommend it.